so important to be able to meet other people in education and certification so that we can all work together to improve quality of care.
I cannot believe how great this poster session is. Asking questions, arguing. Could not be more pleased with the energy in the room and just the sheer range of high quality research.
At the end of our session, I used one example and about 4 people came up and said, oh, we had that happen at our place too. So there's both learning and there's sharing, which I think is really valuable.
This conference isn't only relevant for the medical specialties, it's also extremely relevant for healthcare certifications in general, and I would say even for other certification programs.
To be here at ABMS and meet people and learn a little bit more about the industry and what is important to them.
This is a wonderful opportunity to meet new people, to network, and learn more about other boards.
I love the networking aspect. I love meeting new people, talking to new organizations, offering solutions. So yeah, I'm hoping to meet some more folks in the community.
Yeah, I would be so excited to attend this conference in Pittsburgh. That would be great.
I hope to be in Pittsburgh next year and continue the conversation.
I will be in Pittsburgh next year.
Looking forward to seeing you at ABMS in Pittsburgh next year.